Hello folks, if you're disappointed by the upgrades the Galaxy S25 series brings and looking for an alternative top-tier Android phone, the upcoming Xiaomi 15 Ultra is possibly already on your radar. The phone is expected to become official in China on February 26th and globally at the beginning of March. Rumors about the Xiaomi device have been circulating on the web for quite a while now, with the latest tip confirming some of the epic camera specs we were expecting. Today's camera spec leak comes from reputable tipster Yogesh Bra. Much of these camera specs were in the rumors already, but this info confirms what was believed earlier. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra will be one badass camera phone. The 50MP main camera is said to be using Sony's 1-inch type Litia Lit 900 sensor. This 1-inch sensor performs amazingly in low-light scenarios and generally gives great results with details, colors and dynamics. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra sports the same main sensor. Complementing the 1-inch sensor is a 50-megapixel ultra-wide with Samsung's ISOCELL JN5 sensor. There's also a 50-megapixel 3x optical zoom telephoto camera with Sony's IMX 858 sensor. The biggest upgrade is the second zoom camera, a 200-megapixel 4.3 optical zoom periscope telephoto camera with Samsung's ISOCELL HP9 sensor. This sensor is also found in the Vivo X200 Pros. It's worth noting that when it comes to camera performance, it's not just the specs that matter. Post-processing done by the phone itself also influences how photos look, and we know by now that sometimes Chinese brands opt for a more vibrant and contrasted look. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra offered authentic mode which toned down the saturation, and probably its successor will sport that too. As you can see, the Xiaomi phone is shaping up like a serious contender to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the unannounced Pixel 10 Pro and the iPhone 17. It's not just the camera department where the Xiaomi 15 Ultra will be strong. It's set to come with the Snapdragon 8 Elite, which was almost confirmed by the recently leaked Geekbench AI specs. It will also blow the competition out of the water with the rumored huge 6000mAh battery and 90 watts wired and 50 watts wireless charging support. 16 GB of RAM on this phone will ensure you can pretty much do whatever you want on it. You can also expect 512 GB of storage and Android 15 with Xiaomi's HyperOS 2.0 on top. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is set for an official reveal in China on February 26th, according to rumors, while a global release is expected sometime during MWC in Barcelona. Anyway guys, I will keep you updated. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.